Hello, LinkedIn. This is Bonita White, your travel agent, bestie, and mentor. And what do? I am a licensed travel agent and I book unforgettable memories. Help people create unforgettable memories for their families. And I also, on LinkedIn, I am a talent acquisition coach. I'm looking for professional men and women just like yourself who have a passion for travel and want to turn that passion into profits. So I'm going to be doing a series explaining to people how travel agents get paid. And before I go there, I don't know if you know this, I want you to check it out. But LinkedIn just came out in 2025 last month for the jobs on the rise. And travel agents came in number 5 on the LinkedIn's list. So I want you to check it out when you get a chance. So let's get into it. The first way that travel agents earn money is through commissions. And what a lot of people don't realize that there are commissions built into every travel that you book. Hotels, cruises, all-inclusive resorts, concert tickets, sport tickets, tour operators, and excursions. There is a commission that is built into it. Either the company keeps it for themselves or they pay a travel agent. And a lot of people say, well, I can get it for the same price on the company's site that I can with a travel agent. Well, a travel agent can also get you perks, upgrades, different benefits, and a good travel agent will always give you traveling gifts and just make sure you have a great experience. So what is the commission? Well, with my particular host company, the commission is anywhere from 70 to 80%, depending on how highly trained that you are. Now, let's say if you booked a couple's vacation at an all-exclusive resort, and it retailed for the couple $6,000. Well, that particular vendor, let's say it's an all-inclusive resort, they pay 13%, which is $780. So what does the travel agent get? The travel agent, if they're at the 70% level, they'll get $546. If they're at 80%, they'll get $642. Now, let's just say if you booked 5 couples, that can be anywhere from $2,700 to $3,100. So you understand that travel agents is a real business and there is a lucrative income that can be made, and you can do it full or part-time. So if you ever had a desire or if you're open to taking a look just to see whether being a travel agent is a good fit for you, I invite you to DM me, leave a message, and I'll reach out and just share some information and see if it's a good fit. You all make it a great day, and tomorrow I'm coming back with the second strategy. Bye-bye.